This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a card wallet. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You will need a durable material, perhaps a piece of leather or a sturdy fabric, measuring about 8 inches by 4 inches. A sharp cutting tool, a reliable ruler, and a protective cutting mat are also crucial. Finally, have your preferred adhesive or sewing machine ready to join your pieces together, ensuring a strong, lasting finish for your new wallet. Now, let's move on to the cutting phase, where precision is key. Place your chosen material smoothly onto your cutting mat. Using your template, carefully mark out the main body of the wallet, which might be around 8 inches by 4 inches, and any smaller pocket sections. With your sharp cutting tool, make clean, straight cuts along your marked lines. This step ensures all your pieces fit together perfectly, creating a neat and functional card holder. With your pieces cut, it's time to assemble the pockets. Take your smaller pocket pieces and carefully align them onto the main body of the wallet. Apply a thin, even line of strong adhesive along the 3 outer edges of each pocket, leaving the top edge open for cards. Press down firmly for about 30 seconds to ensure a secure bond. If you are sewing, use a straight stitch to attach the pockets, leaving the top open. For the final steps, we will bring everything together. Fold the main body of the wallet in half, ensuring the pockets are on the inside. Apply adhesive along the 2 side edges and the bottom edge, or stitch them securely, leaving the top open for card access. Trim any small bits of excess material to give your wallet a clean, professional finish. Allow the adhesive to fully cure for at least 24 hours before loading your cards into your brand new, handmade wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.